Drip irrigation works by slowly watering plants and soil. It prevents overwatering and is more productive than a sprinkler system. Here's what you'll need. Planning the proper layout ahead of time will help achieve the best results. First, determine where the main hoses will go throughout the garden. Then, plan out the drip lines and emitters that supply each plant with water. To begin, install a backflow preventer valve to your outdoor faucet to keep groundwater from backing up into your home supply lines. Next, attach a hose adapter to the main hose line before connecting it to the backflow preventer. Then, run the main hose line through the garden. Use T's to connect the hoses and direct water up hills, around corners, and across your landscaping. Cut the hose and attach a T in the line at each place you want it to branch off. Secure the T to the ground with a clamp. After you've laid out your hose line and T's, your final step is to lay out your feeder lines to each plant. Use an emitter tool to punch holes in the tubing and connect the drip irrigation emitters. When you've reached the end of your desired watering areas, plug the ends of your lines with caps or clamps. Now that you've installed your drip irrigation, you'll be able to water your garden evenly and efficiently. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.